Get ready with me to go to an indoor water park. I already brushed my teeth, so don't worry. Now I'm getting ice cream for the trip. So hey guys, I got my ice cream. We traveled for 1 hour and 25 minutes, but with the ice cream we didn't notice. Here's the location, and it's located in Pennsylvania. So we went downstairs, but they said we needed wristbands. So we're going to get wristbands now. I was screaming a lot. So we're just into the lazy river. I'm just trying to. It was going dark. Come with me to show you how the rooms are. we're heading home because we just did everything. I'm not gonna be recording like driving back home. I'm just gonna like stop it here because I'm gonna probably fall asleep. So yeah, love you guys.